Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa if you don't know, and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. If this is your first time clicking on this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below before getting into this video. It literally takes like 2 seconds, so just do it, okay? And you'll enjoy watching more of our videos, I promise. So today I did this little cranberry look, and yeah, I kind of like the final results. I don't know. If you guys like this look and want to see how I achieved it, then make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video. Let's get into it. So guys, welcome back to another video. As always, I'm going to start with my VDL Lumilayer Primer. And I've been using this lately. It's been keeping my face glowy. I think it's perfect for the summer personally. And yeah, I like this primer. If you know, then you know the drill. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm gonna be using that color coral to obviously color correct my dark spots. Now you can see like my skin has been way better than it used to be, and I'm so happy. Moving on, I'll be using the Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation, and this is in the shade 657 as usual. And yeah, I'm just patting that in with a brush first, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender to just make sure that everything is smooth and there's no like streak lines, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna let you guys continue watching me blend my foundation. Now that all the foundation is blended, I'm gonna go back with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'll be using that shade Nude. And that shade, I'll be using it to basically highlight my face a little bit. And yeah, so my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, and my chin, and my cupid's bow area. And then I also like underlying like where I would normally like contour, like right underneath it with some concealer. But yeah, it's preference obviously. And then I'm gonna blend everything in with my beauty blender as usual. So for today's look, we are going to cream contour as well, and I'll be using the shades Cinnamon and Chocolate, just because I've mentioned before, like chocolate is kind of, it can be a bit harsh, so I like mixing it so it's not too harsh. And yeah, I'm just going to contour my face, you know, snatch it so we look like we lost like 10 pounds or whatever, you know what I'm saying. now I'll be setting the highlighted areas, and to do so I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Blondie. And yeah, I've really been liking this powder, guys. It smells amazing and it sets your face like perfectly, and there's no flashback. To set my contour, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in medium to tan, and I'll be using that shade Espresso just to bring back a bit of like color to my face, because I feel like I was looking a little white, but yeah. So we're using that shade to contour, and or not to contour, but to set those areas I cream contoured mostly. Moving on to eyebrows, I'll be obviously using my Rimmel London pencil in the shade Black Brown, I believe it is. And yeah, I'm just going to outline my brows and then fill them in. And then I'll also be kind of fixing them up using the same Anastasia Beverly Hills nude shade from the cream contour palette. So I'm going back in that cream contour palette, and that's just because I'll be using that nude shade to set my lids, because I want this color to pop, or the colors that I'm going to be putting on my lid, I want them to kind of pop a little bit. So yeah, I'm just basically placing that on my eyelids and setting it, making sure it's well blended. Now for this look, we'll be using the Kylie Cosmetics, the Burgundy palette, and I'm first going in with that shade Penny. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of pat it in first in my crease, because I really want this color to pop. So I'm going to try adding as much as I can and just keep patting it in. So now that I'm done with that shade, I'm going to go ahead with this shade, which is Burgundy, and I'm just going to put that on the lid first and concentrate that on the lid, and then I'll be working like my way up a little bit and kind of blending it as I go, or like blending everything in, because we don't want no like harsh lines, you know what I mean? We want everything to be seamless. So yeah, I'm just doing that, guys. Next, I'll be using my mascara, which is the Sensational Lash Mascara, and I love this mascara, guys. It gives my eyelashes voluminous, makes them, well, my eyelashes are kind of already long, but I don't know, it just makes them pop. I love this mascara. You guys need to get it because it's not that expensive, and it really does the job in my opinion. Next, I'll be moving on to blush, and I'm using the same as usual, guys, the Duo Blush by NICKAK New York. This is like my go-to, I swear. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and use the Carli Bybel highlighter palette, and I'll be using that gold and reddish shade. I'm sorry, like the lighting was kind of off, but those are the two shades I'll be using, and just highlighting my face, guys. So I already sprayed the VDL Radiant Mist on my face, like off camera, and now I'm using my Milani setting spray, and yeah, I just love them. It's just it's kind of matte, but I really love it. Next, I'll go back with that Kylie palette, and I'll be using the Naked to put in the inner corner of my eyes. And then for lips, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'll be using those shades number 5 and 6. I swear to God, guys, like, I have so many ABH products. I feel like I should be sponsored by now, because I love the products, and on top of that, I just use them all the time. So comment down below if you think Anastasia Beverly Hills should sponsor me. But yeah, basically this is going to be the final look. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this look, and comment down below what you would like to see next. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you guys for coming back every single time. It really means the world to us. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in our next video. Keep on liking, keep on sharing, keep on commenting. We love talking to you guys. And of course, follow us on social media if you don't already do so. And we hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, up in every palm, baby. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 1.